What are the fees associated with using Shopify Point of Sale? Shopify is a platform that provides assistance to businesses in the process of establishing and managing their own online stores. It provides a multitude of functions, such as a shopping cart, inventory management, product listing, and much more options to choose from. Shopify's integrated point of sale system is one of the platform's most well-liked and widely used features. Businesses utilize point-of-sale systems to monitor their sales and inventory levels in real time. In addition to this, they may be utilized to process payments and provide refunds. The point-of-sale system offered by Shopify is one of the most widely used available today. It is intuitive to operate and it interacts without any glitches or complications with the rest of the Shopify platform. However, how much does it set you back? Simply obtain a fast estimate of the cost at the moment by clicking the link provided in the description that follows. The cost of Shopify POS is variable depending on the package that you select. There are two primary subscription tiers available, Basic and Pro. The Shopify eCommerce plans all come standard with the Basic package, which offers some fundamental capabilities in the areas of transaction processing and inventory management. Shopify Point of Sale Pro is an excellent option that not only incorporates all of the features that are available in Shopify POS Lite, but also provides unlimited store staff, intelligent inventory management, omnichannel selling capabilities, unlimited registers, staff role permissions, and in-store analytics. You will need to acquire Shopify Point of Sale hardware in addition to the monthly costs that are required to use the platform. This gear can include a card reader, stand, receipt printer, and cash drawer. The point-of-sale system offered by Shopify is an excellent tool for real-time management of both your store's sales and inventory. It is intuitive to operate and it interacts without any glitches or complications with the rest of the Shopify platform. The cost of the Shopify point-of-sale software varies according on the package that you select. Simply follow the link provided below to start a conversation with a consultant about the subscription plan that is going to work best for you.